talk about some of the hot spots to look for. So, number one, we have the smooth sock, okay? If they're complaining, the things you're looking for are hot spots at the edges of the plastic and at the top and bottom of the brace, I think are the keys.
Anywhere we have a prominent bone, like that kneecap, make sure we don't have plastic over top of the kneecap. That has to be away from it. The condyle bones of the knee are a spot, and also the ankle bones. Those are a few spots to look at first. The nice thing about this brace is the plastic that it's made from is very flexible. So we can go ahead, if we need to inspect the skin, we can just open the brace.
And you can look at the skin.
And then we can take the sock without disturbing the fracture too much, and we can visually look at the skin.
And some of the things you're looking for is you can see that these are covered, okay? See how there's little protect. You want to make sure those haven't fallen off or anything like that, causing any type of skin breakdown. And then it's easy, you pull the sock back up, and then you can place this right back on and tighten it back down.
You want to make sure also on your thigh tongue that you are not over top of the patella, since that is a bone right there. So if we do see some plastic that is getting over the top of that patella, we might want to come back and trim this. So again, this is the same plastic. It's easily trimmed with your banded scissors. So we just make sure that our patella is completely free, as we don't want a sore to develop over that.
And then once again, you can always move these too. You can, customize it to each kid. So where the best place for this is to kind of keep everything stable.